fuck is the thumbnail then? Okay, not bad. Not bad. Can do that. Um uh, तो जब तक मैं सब कुछ सेटअप कर सकता हूँ ऐसा है ना
Let's make some fast acid. Synthesize 909 kick with the scope. Yeah. Let's make our bass.
hey yo gang, yo gang 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 gang. Okay, I thought the audio is not there, but it is there. I'll just wait for. Well, I can't wait for people to come in because no one like yeah, people don't usually like appear out of nowhere. I'll have to stream for like at least 2 or 3 hours today. It's 1 a.m. No, 1 p.m. right now, and let me see. We can do the stream for uh 3 hours at least, or 4 hours at least, or let's just say 3 hours for now. So whoever's watching, if you started, like if you just started the stream and you went back to the stream for some reason, this was for you. I'll just wash my hands and stuff, clean my hands for the keyboard, and I'll get back to the stream. One concurrent viewer. That is crazy. Welcome to the stream, whoever this is. We will wait. So someone just left. Wow, fuck me. The thing is, I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Essay gang. Essay gang. Oof. All right, gang. Back with the. What's up, guys? Back to the channel. Wait, let me adjust my audio a little bit. Welcome, welcome, guys. Back to the channel. No, welcome back to the channel. Am I on the right channel? That's the question. Okay, Raktagan, right. Um, so what I want to do today is work on some my like my website. I have a couple websites. One is a calculator, I think, or at least I would call it a calculator. Okay, first of all, um, this is my portfolio, which is not up to the mark as it seems to me. I'm designer, programmer, and a freelancer. So the thing is, which one am I? And you know, then it doesn't show all the information altogether, and it's not like it doesn't fit in like it's not responsive as well. Okay. Second thing is this there's no information about the projects. So work, okay, you work, but like there are links and PDF to download, like the resume PDF, but I don't think this is up to the mark for me now. And this is one of the websites. This is the second website. So we have one, we have two, and we have three websites. This one is just like this Conway's Game of Life simulator, which you can use. Wait, how do you make? Um, was it like this? No. Um, I think it was like this. No, no, no. This. This. I don't remember how you make a glider. Wait. Game of life glider. What is the shape? Okay, three and then one and then like this. This, and this. So it just keeps going. You can adjust the speed. You have like two slots to save and two slots to load from. So it's pretty good. Um, Also, if I do the start and I hit reset, it resets it. But like it resets it anyways if you have started or not. But if you hit reset here, it also stops it like this. And also we can increase the speed. I think the speed right now is very low. This is pretty good, I think. Oh, no, no, no. I think, yeah, so this is inverted, so I have to increase this. Let's do it 10. Yeah, that's pretty good. Also, I don't know how or why this is very like unstable, but and so this is one of the websites. This is the second one. Okay, I'm so glad this is still working. Um, this is a calculator sort of thing. This is also not that responsive, but it's reliable at least. you can like work with it. Someone asked me for a feature to print something. Like this lady, she emailed me and said like I want to do this. I was like doing this and I wanted to print out this list so that I can have it. So I added this feature. You can just click on print and it prints out everything. Um, and I'm so proud of this that I did it. Yeah. You can reset, so it all resets, but there's also one problem that if you do this, and if you wanted, let's say you wanted 6 syrups and you misclicked it and made it 7, you have to do like this. So you can't like remove it from here. So I need to add something that would help people remove it from here, because if you misclick like once, you have to reset and then do it all again. I'll fix that. Yeah, that's, I think for the most part, that's it. I also have, what I also have is another portfolio that is related to my music. Projects, D2D, npm run dev, and then if I do this, this is my music portfolio, which I haven't hosted anywhere. It's not hosted, but it was supposed to be some sort of like portfolio that would show people what I have made. This is like this is an embedding from Spotify, and it has okay, I think 10 most listened songs, top tracks from me. This is something I made for my own game, and these are all the links. So this is also, it's pretty good, I think, visually, but it's not responsive as well. So if I do this, it just messes up everything, and this background is very small when you are viewing it on a phone. So I need to fix that as well. I have like several things now, that's why. I'm thinking about changing this, like removing this altogether and starting from scratch. So what I'll do is have this in another page like this. And then we will just copy paste and make it the backup one. Okay, so I have this as the backup, but this will, and no, I have that as a backup, and this will be our main one that I will use. I should actually pop the window out so that I can watch or see like people chatters, as you may. Okay, like this. Yeah. So if anyone's watching, you can chat. I don't know what is. Okay, this is all like bullshit for me. Let's also remove anything that is not useful, because if I need anything, I'll just copy it from the backup file, and also remove these things, selection and selection background, and background is transparent. Let's make it black for now. No, no padding, and what was that? Yeah, so background, we don't need to worry about anything else. Okay, so this is so right now the website looks totally black, and I wonder if I should start with the design of the website first. Because this was the design 2 months ago. Um, Also, I totally forgot about this, my friend's website that I was designing. Um, this was the portfolio that I wanted to make. But I think the thing is, this is also way too complex of a website as a portfolio. Like one can make a complex website, but like this is not it. I think I have it as well. Um, ls cd rectagon and npm run dev. Yeah. Okay, so I think I scratched everything from that design and from this design and tried to make something simpler, right? The things that I was missing there, they are mostly here. Um, and I want to make it a website that you can just simply scroll. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Let me hit back. Uh, okay. Also, this is something that I did. The heyday calculators new design. This was I worked pretty hard on this, um, and I think it will come out uh, way better than it looks on the design. Let's see. I have this. Let me go back to what. Let's do that. Do that. Let's do that, and see, here's also I have a backup here as well. Um, so this is what I have so far. Let me remove outlines for now. Um, fuck out of here, man. I think this color should be a bit more dark, and we will deal with that later, or maybe right now. Let's put this on here like this. Dude, I need the color picker. What the fuck? Okay, so we can reduce the lighting to maybe 10% or maybe 5%. Yeah, that's better. Copy and paste. So it's pretty much black, but it still has some like reddish muddiness in it. All the links will be blue. This blue, and we'll see about other things. Hello, Rahul Patel. How are you doing? Uh, Also, don't call me sir. I'm not that I'm not that big in age. You can call me Bhaiya or anything else. My name is Sahil, so you can call me Sahil as well. Um, and I'm working on one of my websites right now. Um, so we have a GitHub link. Let me copy my GitHub link from here. Where is GitHub? Yep. Not the repos, just the user. Okay, and also I need to update my GitHub account. This doesn't look all that good now. Now this link will take us to GitHub. I don't need to put this here. The black text says that, so let me just do this. Reduce the size of this text. Yep, now it says Surya Prakash Khatri, full stack engineer, and then my GitHub. Maybe I can put like a couple more links here, and this would look pretty good. So also, let me see. Putting outlines in the website like this is always like useful just to see key which thing is where. So this div is this big one, and these smaller divs, and this link is these two smaller divs and this one link. What I want to do is move the whole thing a little bit further down. So let's do py padding from y should be let's say 20. Not bad. Also, padding in X on both of those should be like this. I think I need this whole thing to move a little bit to the right. Let's do 8 and copy this, paste it here, paste it here. Yeah. So the div itself is in between in the center, but these are a little bit off. I still think that these can be like this, 16 maybe, or maybe just do something like just put everything in the center, right? Mx is auto, but it's not like it's covering everything, right? Item start. How do I do that? Let's do width fit. Yep. And what I can do now is not item start, item center. Well, justify center. MX auto, and yep. Okay, there was no flex, so that's why I didn't do it. Flex. And now if I remove this, it should center it. No, it didn't. Well, let's forget about it. Not centered. Okay, I would want something like this. But the thing is, Okay, so I want this to be in the center, but I want this to be sort of aligned like this. And for that, what we will do is I will have this as, I will have to change this. Wait, how many people are watching? Ooh, 12, two concurrent viewers. Hello, hello, everyone. Oh, I think this is the most viewers I have had so far. Hmm. Yeah. I think I need to like rethink everything right now for this one because I forgot what everything was. Let me just reset most of the things. Font bold. Yeah. Okay. So right now the website looks like this. Uh, so maybe I should just add everything that I want on the website and then I'll try it and fix it or sort of like see how I want to rearrange everything. We have one of the links, and if I go to my portfolio right now, I have at least three links. So this and this. This will open my GitHub, my LinkedIn account. I don't know which one this is, but it is one. Um, and email link. So now what I should do is just put the email right here, um, like this. Um, email is this. The link is mailed to, but the text is this. So sort of like this. Um, both of these need to be inside one different div. So I have that here, and now class name gap of at least four. Flex column, flex row, right? So flex row, and now I have divided both of them like this. Uh, maybe not do that email thing. Huh, this looks better. let's see. I would have to put at least 3 of these categories here. And they have projects, internship, programming, education, social, and downloads. So essentially, there are 6 categories that I need to put, and also this one. So let's make one. Let's make one, uh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6, 7 uh, sections right here. And then I'll decide what I need to do with those. Let's remove this div. Let's remove this div. And okay, some styles can stay, but like, okay, some of the text can stay, but not all of it because I'll forget. Wait a second, is the text visible or not? Does it not look good? Um, let's see. Uh, yeah, that's readable, I think. Okay, that's readable. Um, okay, let me do this one thing. I shouldn't put this text right here. I should put it back, right? Restore chat. So I'll look at things on this side, and what I need to do is screen capture, open selector, and just show some of the part, right? Um, wait. Yeah, I think that would be better or not. Well, for now, I'll just show everything. Now we know that I have six or seven of these that I need to put here. Um, we have a black screen. Okay, let me just do 7 different sections, right? Copy, paste. No, no, no. Let's make sure that I'm not out of my mind right now. Yeah. Or I don't start tweaking out. Okay. The thing is, this is the whole div, this one, which has everything in it, right? Yeah. Am I right or am I right? Yeah. Um, then what I need is I need a div that is flexible enough and it should fit in here, right? Like this. So that if someone's screen is less wider, they can still see the website, right? So like this around, so it should cover only I would say uh 2/3 of the screen, maybe even less than that. Maybe 3/5 of the screen, right? Is that good enough? One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be this around this part, right? How do I divide this? Well, we'll see that later. Um, So I need this, I need one div like this, that would go like this, and then I need everything inside it. That would be good. Let's do that. So this covers the screen, right? At least H screen, and W should be full. Wait, what does fit do? Okay, just fucks it up. Full. So it will cover whatever it can cover. Right. The background is good enough. Now I need the main div. But this is the main div, but this is like the co-reader div, the secondary div. That will be like this. Any chatters? Hello, Phoenix Edit Z. How are you? Welcome to the live stream. And we are working on my portfolio website today. I will program it today. Yeah. Tell me how your day has been, and you can call me Sahil. My name is Sahil, so you can call me Sahil. Um, this is the div, first of all. The width of this would be, wait, so H is full, so it will cover the height, the whole height of the thing, and then the width should be 3 by 5. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so from here it is 3 by 5. Wait, let me add some padding on this just to see where we are at. Okay, so I think I should just put it on in the center. So MX auto, it will put it in the center. I think this is good enough for simple website. Let's see. Okay, the thing is, if I do this, it squishes everything. I don't want it to squish everything. I want it to squish this part. I want to remove this part and keep this part. That's why we are doing this in the first place. So to do that, I might need to do what I might need to do is uh, large will do that. Small will do width is full. So if the screen is large, LG means large, then width will be 3 by 5. So if this is large, this is called large. If this is large, the width will be this. But if it is small, like let's say this small, the width will be full, whatever it is. See, this is large still, and the width is this. But if it is small, I don't know why it's not working. Wait, it covers the full screen, right? And then if it is smaller, yeah, so if it is small, it will cover the full screen. See, if it is large, it will be like this. If it is small, it will cover everything. But there's also something in between. Large, so small is default. Yeah, we don't have to write small. Large, we also have medium. And for medium as well, we will do full screen. So this, if we have small medium screen, it will also cover everything, and so on. So this is good enough for now. Now inside this inside this I need 7 different sections. One is for my name and designer, programmer, freelancer, and other 6 are for projects, internships, programming, education, social, and downloads. So, and also like in a wider view, or sort of, if I group these together, there is work, skills, and links. So I can either do 4, because 3 and 1, or I can do 7, 6 and 1. But I will do 6 so that I can like increase. Well, never mind. I will do projects, internship, programming, education, social, and downloads. Some of these have less stuff in them, but still. Let's see now. Um, we don't need to have padding that strong. So the padding is like this. Website starts from here a little bit, so like it's a little bit away. It's padded. Hello chatters. 25 views, that is I think the highest I have ever got. Um, Chat rate is a-okay, but yeah. Thank you for everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. Yeah. Okay, so we have to put 7 different sections inside this. Now what I will do is I will see where I want to put the first section. I want to put it somewhere here, somewhere here. So let's do that. Section, and also inside this div, I want everything to be in the center as well, inside of this div, or maybe not. I would want them to be in the center. Uh, okay, what I'll do is I'll decrease the size of this. Mm, this looks less, this looks very thin, very less wide. Maybe we can do 1 by 2, maybe. Yeah, I think 1 by 2 doesn't look that bad. 2 by 3 is way too wide. 3 by 5 is still wide enough. Okay. So 2 by 5 is, well, I think 1 by 2 is the best sweet spot. Okay, the thing is, let's do 3 by 5 right now, for now. I don't like 3 by 5. I want it to be a little bit more like 4 by 9 or something, or 3 by, not 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is very thin. 2 by 5 is also very thin. Let's just go with 3 by 5 right now. No, 3 by 5 is okay. Let's do 1 by 2, and then if okay, 1 by 2, then we do this. Yeah, I don't need to think too much. I have just started learning React. I don't know much, brother. That's, I think that is okay. You don't need to worry about knowing too much. You just start practicing, and Just make what you want to make, and make what you like to make. Like I'm just making my portfolio again for fun. So you can just do something that is fun for you. If you think making a website is fun, then you will learn way quicker. That's what I have realized so far. Because uh, you cannot learn easily if you don't like it. So you have to like it. Uh, Pick something that you like, maybe cars, games, music, or videos or movies. Make something about that. Like, what do you like outside of programming, and make a website about that. I think then you will learn way quicker and way easier, and it will be a lot more fun for you. But this is like this is I don't think this would be pretty this would be hard. This is just HTML. This is simply HTML. I haven't got into any React stuff right now. This is not React. This is just HTML, simple HTML, and also Tailwind. If also you should try Tailwind. This is Tailwind CSS. So, we write CSS, and it is like, it's pretty, it takes a lot of time to write CSS, right? But this is very easy to write instead of CSS. Tailwind is is better. See, I can just change the background like this. Background. Padding equals to padding dash 2 means padding of 16 pixels simply, or 8 pixels. That is very easy for you or me. Let's see. We are on the sections, right? I need 7 sections. I need the first section to be here. Let's do. Okay, first of all, I need everything to be in the center of this div. There were, that's where I was. Flex, flex, column, right? So if we were in CSS, I would have to go to the file. I would make this a class and then code a lot, then it will be flex. But here it is just simply flex and flex column. So this is now flex column. Um, Justify center, and so justify center would justify this in the center like this, and uh, items start. So items will be from the start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but they will start from top, not from the center. Um, okay, let me just do this one thing where I would add some padding, right? Just to see where we are at. And I think center would be this, and start. Okay, so not justify center, justify start, and then items center. So items are in the center and justifies it from the start. So it will go like this. Is there a chat? Uh, okay. So width should be full. Let me just see with full. Padding is way off. I need more padding. Okay. but top from the top. Now I need to make some margin from top. Should be 16. I think this is a good point to put the name and stuff, and then padding of 8 as well, so we have it like this. I will put my name here, like this. Now I need it to be in the center. I need this to be in the center. And width is fit. Padding from left should be more, 60. Or maybe 30. Okay, now it's time to see what I like in this. Maybe this. No. Maybe this. Okay, I think that is much better. I wonder what the text was. Message was retracted. Hmm. This. Hmm. Okay, so I need to make a different div in the section itself to put most of the things. This will go in it, and flex 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 column like this. Right, and like this. I think this will be better for audio. Yeah. Yeah, let me just adjust myself better. Um, okay, I think this will be better for the audio, and I would like everyone to just like see, no, just hear the keyboard as well while I type. So that's some sort of ASMR. Okay. Where were we at? Yeah. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, so this will be my div, the main div. I would still want some padding in it just so I can see what is happening. Um, yeah, that's okay. That's good. How much is the audio good or not? Okay, it's at the levels I want. Okay, for whoever is watching, let me know if there is some sort of unwanted noise, like background noise, because in OBS I have noise cancellation on, but I think there is still noise. If there is, let me know if there is. क्या हो रहा है मेरी इंग्लिश को? Yeah, so this is the main div we have. Let me see if I did it right or not. Okay, that's right. What I want is to change that from Surya to developer, like that. Yeah, we need some more gap in that. Gap of at least 8. Nah, like 4. Okay. I think I should try removing this for now and see how that looks. Okay, that doesn't look bad. I can also do what I can also do is have this in a different background color so that like you can see it will look better. BG is, let's just say it's amber, right? Let's see how it looks. Might not look that good. Let's give up on that for now. Surya Prakash Khatri, full stack software engineer, and what do we have next? So is this the section? Wait, how do I comment in like this? No, wait. It's this multi-line comment. Yeah, it's this, I think. Yeah, see, I was close. This, this, and then it also, we have to close it. Okay. This comment will tell me which section this is. Section 1. And then this will be section 2. Projects. Section 2 is projects. Section 1 is this, where I'm talking about myself. Then section 2 will have my projects and things about them, the projects. Let's see. Is there a chatter? Background sounds are louded. Okay, sound is not clear. Okay. I can fix that. Prakash Patil. Doesn't look bad. I can also do what I can also do is um let's see. ऑडियो लाउड है अभी ठीक है शायद अब जरा मैं सुन के देखता हूँ खुद की ऑडियो अब जरा मैं सुन के देखता हूँ खुद की ऑडियो अब जरा मैं सुन के देखता हूँ खुद की ऑडियो बेबी हो सकता है बड़ी हो आवाज ऐसे बेबी ऐसे ओके 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 ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, थैंक यू बताने के लिए। Yeah, so where was I? Hmm. So we have again I had 7 sections. There are 7 sections. First one is this, and then let's see. Okay, what else do I need to add here? Let's see. This, and is there something else? No. So I can just start with projects and everything else now. Section 2. This. Okay. Okay. So this edge is fit now. Okay, this will scroll right. Yeah. Okay, what does section number 2 have? It has projects. So I'll put projects here. Right. How does it look? Okay, I need it to be smaller or I need this to be bigger. Let's make the name bigger. Let me do it 7. Ooh, doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Wow, that I didn't notice that. This won't fit. Uh, hmm. Never mind, I can just decrease the size of this and that is better. 7. So we don't need padding on these. We can just do this. Is that a chatter? ओके क्लियर है सब. ओके. I want this to be, I want this text to be thin, a little bit thin. So font thin. Okay. Extra light. I don't think it's making a difference. Never mind. So projects and then hmm. When I zoom, this text goes down, right? So I want this to not go like this. I want it to be in a line. Overflow in X visible. So let's see if that works. Okay. That doesn't work. Maybe flex it first. Nah. Care. Is there a chatter? Which extension are used for running React code? Please tell. Extension React कोड के लिए कोई मैं यूज़ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ये VS कोड नहीं है जो मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. ये लिनक्स है, तो इसमें मैं सीधा एक कोड लिखता हूँ और उससे सॉरी अबाउट वो मैं सीधा एक कोड लिखता हूँ और उससे पूरा रन हो जाता है. जैसे ये npm run DEV, डेव। तो अगर मैं ये कोड लिखूंगा यहाँ पे, इसमें मेरे टर्मिनल में npm run dev और एंटर कर दूंगा, तो ये मेरे को एक लिंक देगा, है ना। लिंक है लोकल होस्ट 5173। अब मैं इस लिंक को कॉपी करके खोल सकता हूँ अपने ब्राउज़र में। तो ये मैं इधर डाल दूंगा ना ब्राउज़र में, तो ये मेरा कोड रन हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, ऐसा दिखे तो दिखने लगेगा। VS कोड में भी हो जाएगा मुझे लगता है, उसके लिए आपको कुछ और देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन मैं मेरे को ये ज़्यादा आसान पड़ता है। तो अभी अपन प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में और क्या क्या करना है वो देख लेता हूँ मैं इधर। तो ऐसा कर सकता हूँ कि प्रोजेक्ट और प्रोजेक्ट के इधर नहीं, प्रोजेक्ट्स तो हो गया। तो ये जो प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है इसके आगे मैं लिंक डाल सकता हूँ प्रोजेक्ट का, जिससे कोई भी खोल सके, है ना। गिटहब का भी लिंक और वेबसाइट का भी लिंक। प्रोजेक्ट्स, फिर इधर तो अपने पास एक प्रोजेक्ट का तो ये बड़ा डिव हो गया। अब मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ कि इस डिव को छोड़ के और अलग डिव बना सकता हूँ। इस डिव को यहीं छोड़ के अपन, तो ये प्रोजेक्ट का डिव हो गया मेन। अब मैं इधर अलग अलग डिव बना सकता हूँ इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए। तो ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे कॉपी पेस्ट, शायद ऐसे। ठीक है, ये ठीक है। तो इसमें ये नाम आ गया वेबसाइट का जो मैं बनाई है जो मैंने। उसके बाद अपन ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि रो बना सकते हैं इसकी, तो ये लाइन में ऐसे रहेंगे, है ना सारे। और अब मैं इसका टेक्स्ट थोड़ा सा छोटा करके, और छोटा करके एक्सेल कर दिया टेक्स्ट, है ना। हाँ, फिर ओके, तो टेक्स्ट को अपन, अब अपन ऐसा करते हैं जस्टिफाई सेंटर। इस सबको सेंटर में लाना है मुझे, इनको ये ऐसे दूर दूर है, मुझे चाहिए कि ये यहाँ पे हो, है ना। अ, हो नहीं रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों। हम्म ठीक है। अब ऐसा करते हैं अपन इनको। अब मुझे इसको लिंक बनाना है, ए, ऐसा होता है लिंक, है ना। तो अपन ऐसा करते हैं, लिंक अपन बाद में डालेंगे, पहले अपन टेक्स्ट कलर चेंज कर देते हैं। टेक्स्ट का कलर होगा ब्लू, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे होगा गिटहब, तो ये गिटहब पे लेके जाएगा इस वेबसाइट के, ठीक। और साथ ही साथ इसकी वेबसाइट पे भी लेके जाएगा, खुद की वेबसाइट पर। इसको अंडरलाइन कर देते हैं क्योंकि ये लिंक है, तो लिंक को अपन हमेशा अंडरलाइन कर दो जिससे सामने वाले को समझ में आए। एक कैरेक्टर और डाल देते हैं यहाँ पे, लिंक वाला। तो जेट ब्रेन्स मोनो पे जाके क्योंकि नॉर्मल कीबोर्ड डज नॉट हैव these कैरेक्टर्स जो अपन कॉपी कर सकते हैं। So we can just find something that we want or we like and we can copy it and paste it. So if I do this, तो ये थोड़ा दिखेगा कि अच्छा ये लिंक है, ऐसा जो बना हुआ है ये थोड़ा ठीक लगता है दिखने में, समझ में आता है कि लिंक है ना। अब बात ऐसी है कि मैं चाहूँगा कि मैं अम, इसको अंडरलाइन ना करें, है ना। स्पैन में डाल के क्लास मुझे लगता है कोई और कैरेक्टर मिल जाएगा मुझे ठीक सा, इससे बेटर थोड़ा सा। Hmm. For links, I need a different sort of character. Let me try this one. Okay, this looks cool, but this is very like this looks more helpful than this one. This character is less helpful. This looks like, yes, definitely this will take me to a different link. So I'll use this one. And uh, let's do this where I do GitHub. Not GitGub. Where is GitGub? GitGub. GitHub. Okay. GitHub. And so this whole link is this character and text as well. Now what I did is, the problem was when I do underline, it underlines the character and the text. I don't want to underline the character, this one, this character. So I put the text and character in different spans, so I can do separately. I can just underline this separately and not underline this. Underline this, not underline this. That is a cleaner way. Hmm. Okay. I have removed the keyboard audio now. I think that was causing more noise. Let me see if it helped or not. Keyboard audio now. I think that uh, this one, this character. So I put the text and character in different spans, so I can helped or not. Okay. I think that is good. We don't have a problem with that now. That is hmm. Okay, this looks a little bit better. Um, it is not full in length because we have not nothing down here, but once I keep adding things, this will look way cleaner. This looks better. Um, okay, so अब I want to add details about this project down below. But let's see if this will work nicely on mobile or not. So we have this. Okay, the problem is this padding. This padding, I think. Um, full. Okay, let's see. We have this when the screen is wide. We have this when the screen is almost medium. No, we have this when the screen is medium, and we have this when the screen is small. So right now it is not giving me any problem. Maybe this part, but like not really. Um, what I can do is when the screen is small, I will make the text small, smaller. Um, okay, for large screen, text text should be 7, and for small, text should be 5. And for medium text should be, no, for medium text should be 5, and for small text should be 3. Let us see how that looks now. So for large and for medium and for small, it is even smaller. We need to do that for everything. This, and for large it will be 3, for medium it will be 2. Let's see, XL for, and for large it will be 3XL, and for medium it will be 2XL. Like this. So this gets smaller. Maybe a little bit more small. Not XL, large. And also gap. So in medium we need two, no, in small we need 2, and medium we need gap to be 3, and large gap should be 4, like this. So this, I have to do this thing, large and small and medium thing on every single thing. But let me just make the website all together, and I will do the responsive part afterwards. Any chatters? Thank you for explaining. Yeah, you're welcome, Rahul. And 81 viewers. I think this is the max I have had. Yeah, like that's pretty good. Thank you for watching, everyone. Okay, so coming on to the details of the project itself. Heyday calculator. This is the title of the project. But now I want to add. Now I want to add a div. Project 1. And project 2. So we have this div, class. Let's copy most of the things from this div. Okay. And let's see. Okay. Now we have the title of the thing, right? The title. And now I can just copy this whole and add another div for details of the project. This is row, but I want it to be in columns. a paragraph. Now I need to write about the project itself. So, and and inventory, and let's do inventory went in a day. The text is black, class text of text. Text is white, but I want it to be um, like this. And also we need some gap. This. Hmm. I think this is hard to read. This is better. This text is better now. Inventory and resource management in heyday. In heyday. In heyday. How is heyday written? Heyday. Okay. So heyday. Okay, let's do something. I will copy the link of heyday website and put it here so that if anyone wants to. So if anyone wants to visit the link of heyday, they want to know what heyday is, they can just click on the website, click this link, and they will go to heyday website. If anyone don't know what heyday is, when they visit my website, they can click on this link and go to the website. Okay, that is crazy. Okay, so this link is small, this link looks big. Let us reduce this size. Text of large. Hmm. Well, I don't mind that. Uh, the links should have smaller text. That is what I know. Uh, text LG. Not the links. The character on the link after the link text should be a little bit smaller. Now, the thing is, I might put some more text below this, which will be the links, like my GitHub page, um, my LinkedIn page, and my Instagram page or my YouTube page, a lot of things. Okay, and my Code Forces page. I will put links here. So let me make some space for that. And since we already have created some text for these like this, I can just copy this link and paste it here and change the name, the text and the link like this, like this, right? See, also we don't, this project section is, has, um, yeah, I don't mind that. Code Forces link, then I don't know how to spell LinkedIn, but okay. Okay, now it is, what it is doing is putting in like a list. So I will create another div, class flex row. So it will put it in a line like this and give some gap like this. So we have my name, what I do, or like what I am looking for, and my links. Um, I should also put my email address like this, but it's not a link, so it's only a div. @gmail.com. But this is not a link, so I need to make it look different because everything is a link and they are in blue. They should not be blue. Hmm. Okay, now it looks weird, so I will try to put it somewhere else. Let us forget about it for now. Okay, right. I have links. I will also link to my YouTube channel. YouTube. So someone wants to watch anything about my YouTube channel, they can also click this link. I think that is good. Let's put my GitHub link as well. GitHub. Okay, this is opening my GitHub link. Now I need to put my code forces link. Also, I can make it round, but that would not be helpful. Never mind. Okay, for every single project, we will have the link of the project, description of the project, and what technology I have used in that project. That will also be there. So, and also this projects and headache calc are very close to each other. So we will have to make some gap. Margin from Y should be like this. No, margin on top, and then project one, the headache calc. Uh, let's do it margin top of 8 at least. Okay, and this 16 should be even more, maybe 32, like this. So also I will write about myself in this place as well. So we will have to leave some space there as well. Um, and after that we have projects. Hmm. So now I need to put what I used in the project. Technologies used or tech used, right? Uh, use Neo4j as the graph database solution. And React and React, no, solution React as React and React for, well, we know React is for front end, so we don't need to put React for front end. Just react.js and node JS with Express.js. Node.js, React.js, and Express.js. See, that looks not that clean, I think. I should just put it in another P paragraph tag. Hmm. Okay, I don't think I should put the technologies used like this in a sentence. Uh, I should just write about the project a little bit more and then use icons for technologies used. Uh, okay. Hmm. I think this is a better way to do it. Slightly better way, at least. Click on items you need for your next derby and get a list of all the things you will need to make them. Uh, Essentially, pitching the website. Now, what I'll need to do is I'll put another div which says uh, uses or used. Just like the word used. Hmm. Class name, text, text, and text 3 Excel, font bold. Maybe not that bold. Uh, Semi bold. Right. Mm, Normal. Yeah. 2 Excel is fine. Um, just put Neo4j, React.js, Node.js, Expert.js, and Tailwind CSS. Right. These things are just written, but I will have to do something about it later. Let's separate this from the top a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that's the whole project, right? That's the whole one project. So I will copy the code for all this one project and paste it on the different one. Now we can see that these are very close to each other. Maybe I should add a line or something. Line. Okay. Wait, what? Yeah. How to add a line in reactjs. Add a horizontal line separator. HR. Okay, don't tell me I just have to put a line there and it will be something. HR tag. Okay, self-closing HR tag means a line. Okay, HR tag is a line. So is there a line? Okay, there is line. Uh, mm, let's do, wait, in Tailwind CSS. Any chatters? All the best. Hello. Thank you. Hello124 for your wishes. Mm, um, so we can't add a color. Is that it? Is that it? Border. Okay, I can add border on to this. Border one, border text. I think that will work. That has to work at least. Okay. We have this border now. I'll put some sort of margin on both sides, right? That looks better, or at least like 16. Okay, not bad, not bad. That is like a very easy way for me to separate things. I can put it between sections as well. Oh, what the hell? Right. Maybe not that. Like this. Yeah. But the color of the line should be different. Let's copy this color and change it just a little bit. Right? 90% lightness, right? Let's bring it down to 40% lightness. Wait, what? It's this color? Oh, hell no. Let's just make it black, right? Let's reduce the vibrance to 20. Maybe not, maybe 40. Yep, that's better. Copy. Color of mainline is this now. Color of HR. Okay, now border is HR. Let's see how that looks. Okay, not bad. Looks even better. Okay, if there is a separation between this section and this section, and then there is a separation between this project and this project, that would not be so good. Uh, let me do, let me try this. Okay, that there is a bigger separation, there is a smaller separation. That would be better. So we have HR, this one. Remove it from here, and I don't need to remove it. Okay, this section is done, this section is done. Then what I can do is put this before this project starts, project one starts, right? Maybe. And have this as 8 and put it on y bottom, make y bottom more. 16. That makes sense. And it's the same with this. Now it's coming together. Everything is coming together. Yeah. I don't know why there is a lot of space here. We'll figure that out in a bit, right? That should be 8, and bottom should be 16. Okay, this is where it is at. Problem is at. Okay, yeah, I don't mind this. I don't mind this. How long have I been streaming for? Only entertainment. Good luck, bro. Okay, thank you, man. Only entertainment 141. Thank you for your wishes. When it comes to this thing that I made, the movie app, there's only one GitHub of this. So I don't really think I would want to put this there on my website, but I can put this, the Game of Life simulator. I love this actually. Wait, no, let's do this. This doesn't react to anything, right? I want a couple of stable ones, then I will blast something into these. Let's do this. Yeah. And it also returned Ooh. Okay, if we see another glider, we can. I think this is also a glider. I should just do this. Ooh. We can just disrupt these by clicking on it. Like this. Okay, fun's over. Copy. Project 2 is. That is our second project. Conway's Game of Life Sim. Maybe put it in brackets. Right? Uh, mm, and the GitHub for this. So we have the link and we have the GitHub page. Wait, yeah, GitHub page. I need to change the description as well, but that would be all. We don't use Express.js because it's not like connecting to a server or something. It's just using Node.js and React. I think it's only using React, not even Node. It's just Tailwind CSS. Click on items. I think. Okay, inventory. This is this. And wait, what? Yeah. Simulator for the game that John Conway the that the math. What was John? Who was John Conway? Like, what was he a scientist? Was he a mathematician? John Conway. What was he? John Horton Conway, FRS, was an English mathematician and he was active in the theory of infinite groups, knot theory, number theory, combinational game theory, and coding theory. Damn. 26th of December. So, okay. I have watched these videos, some of his videos, and he was like a very legendary guy. The mathematician John Conway. How does that look on the website? Simulator for the game that the mathematician John Conway worked on. The thing is, I think he worked on it with people, with more than one or two people. Like he had his own team. So let's see. Uh, did John Conway make Game of Life? Invented. Okay, he invented the Game of Life. That is what we wanted to know. Uh, invented. Simulator of the game that the mathematician John Conway invented. Um, is a cellular automation devised by the Brit. Okay, cell. Um, it's a is a cellular automation. It's a cellular spelling CELLULAR cellular automation. And then we give them the link to the article itself, right? The wiki. Wait, what? Change that from heyday to wait. Oh, no, 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 no. Um, wiki for that. Hmm. How did I add a space for that earlier? Um. Hmm. So like this. Hmm. Okay, not bad. I don't mind that. Uh, I would rather do that. Okay, it's a cellular automation. Uh, or is it based on cellular automation? We don't know. Any chatters in here? Okay, 122 views is also crazy. Okay, let me get on a break for a while.